Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is the Sweetie Pie Bubble Bar. It's super adorable, little glitter on it and some little confectionery designs. So how you use these is you put your stopper up, turn your water on, and put it directly under the water. It will instantly start dissolving and you're going to see some bubbles. I do move mine around as it dissolves so that the full force of the water is hitting the product. That way it will make more bubbles. If you have a mesh baggie, which I didn't have one at this time, I often use those. I'll put it in there, and you could even like break it in half if you wanted to use it for more than one bath. But if you put it in a mesh baggie and then hang it around the faucet, and so the water, it's like directly under it, that does a pretty good job at making bubbles too. You can also pick it up, kind of crumble it in your hands, just so that the water is hitting it. It will definitely make bubbles. And this one smelled really good. The fragrance notes are blackberries, raspberries, white floral greenery, and musk and vanilla. So kind of all over there, but I did smell a wonderful like sweetness from it, so I really liked the fragrance of this. And here's kind of a zoomed out view. The water is a beautiful purple color, and then the mound of bubbles is over on the right. I think it did a pretty good job with the bubbles. And then at the very end, this is what the bubble mound looked like. So it made pretty many. So that's the demo I have for you today. If you'd like to order anything from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, I do have a promo code below. So make sure you enter that code when you check out to save you some money. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.